Regional markets have been the best performers on capital growth over the past 5 years, outperforming the capital cities consistently. This is another strong piece of evidence which refutes one of those persistent misconceptions that many Australians cling to, that you have to buy in the bigger cities to get the best capital growth. But for many years, it's become common to see regional markets recording the biggest increases in prices, both in the short term and over the longer term. This has been confirmed by new figures from PropTrack, which is the research arm of realestate.com.au, which examined which locations had recorded the best growth over the past 5 years. And it shows that 18 of the top 20 performers, that's the top 10 for houses and the top 10 for units, they're all regional locations. And the other two are suburbs in one of our smallest capital cities, Hobart. It was the regional town of Bright in Victoria which recorded the biggest gain in median house price, while Queensland's Noosaville posted the highest growth in terms of median unit prices. According to PropTrack, some homeowners won what they called the property lottery, with gains of as much as $1.1 million in median house prices over the 5-year period up to April 2023. For all house markets, Bright and Victoria posted the highest 5-year growth at 152%. Jindabyne in New South Wales was close behind, 148% growth, which brought its median house price up to $1.55 million. However, the biggest gain in dollar terms was Kingscliff in New South Wales. During the period, its median house price increased by $1.13 million to reach $2 million. Looking at the unit markets, it was Noosaville in Queensland which recorded the biggest jump, 108%, with its median price increasing by $485,000 to reach $935,000. Closely following that was again Jindabyne in New South Wales, where units are being sold for a median price of $720,000, which is $370,000 or 105% more expensive than 5 years ago. Sunshine Beach in Queensland witnessed the highest increase in median house unit prices in dollar terms. It was up by $720,000 to reach $1.43 million, which means the median price for units in that suburb doubled in 5 years. Other regional locations that featured in the national top 10 lists for units and for houses for capital growth over the past 5 years include Coolum Beach on the Sunshine Coast, Casuarina in New South Wales, Venus Bay in Victoria, East Devonport in Tasmania, and Wenduri in Ballarat in Victoria. This kind of extraordinary growth in property values confirms just how strong the exodus to affordable lifestyle trend has been and continues to be.